Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Upgrade to the AI Plus Nova 2 Ultra 5G starting at just Rs 16,999 instead of Rs 25,999, plus get free earbuds in the box. You can also own it today with easy monthly installments starting at only Rs 5,666 per month. Get the Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G during the month-end mobile festival, starting at just Rs 13,999 down from Rs 18,999. Experience the segment's best selfie camera today. Get the brand new Moto G37 Power with a massive 7,000 mAh battery for just 18,999 rupees instead of 30,499. Own yours today with easy EMIs starting at only 3,167 per month. Grab the brand new Realme P4 5G starting from just Rs 24,999, down from Rs 40,999. Enjoy a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging, or pay only Rs 4,166 per month. Grab the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion starting from just Rs 34,999 down from Rs 42,999, or bring it home easily by paying only Rs 2,917 per month. Get the powerful OPPO K14X 5G starting from just Rs 15,499, down from Rs 19,999, featuring a massive 6,500 mAh battery and 45W charging. Grab it now with easy monthly installments starting at only Rs 4,833 per month. Get the slimmest and lightest POCO M8 5G during the month-end mobile festival, starting from just Rs 20,999 instead of Rs 25,999. Grab yours now with easy monthly payments starting at only Rs 3,500 per month. Level up your gaming with the Infinix GT 35G 8GB, featuring segments-only GT gaming triggers, available now for just Rs 19,499 instead of Rs 21,999. Or grab it easily with convenient EMI starting at just Rs 3,499 per month. Get the world's slimmest 8,000 mAh curved display smartphone, the POVA Curve 2 5G, starting from just Rs 28,499 instead of Rs 31,999. Grab yours now with easy monthly installments starting at only Rs 4,750 per month. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals,